Good morning. Starting off today with some low clouds in Fargo, but no rain right now. It's quieter here in the Fargo-Moorhead area and throughout a good portion of the valley. However, there are still some showers out there and still chances for some rain. It'll just be more isolated today than yesterday. Here's a look at our current radar. Our showers are continuing in parts of northwest Minnesota. We're also keeping an eye on those rain showers. That line of them that produced a little lightning earlier, that's moving eastward toward the Devil's Lake Basin and the James River Valley this morning as well. We do want to take a look back to last night. We're going to move back 12 hours, and you could see the showers and thunder showers that moved through about 12 hours ago, and those continue to just very slowly move eastward. Zooming in on that area in Lakes Country up into northwest Minnesota, Bagley getting some rain right now, back down into Mahnomen, the Natowash area, and northern parts of Becker County seeing some of that rain. And it's a slow mover, so it'll take a while before that moves out. And then, of course, that little bit of rain out to the west, too, that we're going to watch out for today. So another issue that we have going on is the fog. We've got dense fog that's affecting our western and northwestern viewing areas. Carrington visibility reported at 0. We've got less than a mile around Devil's Lake and places to the north, and also over by Jamestown. So essentially driving down Highway 281 going to be a soupy one. And then down into the Southern Valley, a couple of areas where the fog is pretty thick too. We're looking at a quarter mile in Fergus Falls for visibility, and Wahpeton's at a mile. And we do have one headline, a dense fog advisory for that Devil's Lake Basin here this morning because of the dense fog we just saw. But as we also saw, the fog isn't just there. We have it in other places too. But this advisory in effect until 10 a.m. Our temperatures are in the 40s to low 50s. It's 48 in Grand Forks, 50 in Fargo. The wind still out of the north in most areas. We do have a gust to 18 miles per hour in Gwinner, but a lot of places seeing that wind really taper off overnight, and now we're into the single digits for wind speeds. So looking at your hour-by-hour planner, expect to have a few of these showers working eastward, some of them becoming more numerous, and perhaps even some thunder showers as we get into the later afternoon hours. And that's going to have an impact on our evening drive more so than our morning drive. We are seeing a couple of showers out there, but this is a little bit heavier rain that'll be popping up in some of these isolated cells. And notice our temperatures too for the afternoon will be in the upper 50s to low 60s north, but there's going to be a pocket of warming in southeastern North Dakota where we have the potential of getting into those low 70s. So that moves on, and then we start to clear out for tonight, but the wind will pick up. We're going to see some winds gusting into some 20s to 30 miles per hour. Heading into your Thursday morning, nice and quiet, clear skies, a little cooler though. We'll be back into the upper 30s or even low 30s in some areas. So that's going to be a bit of a shock tomorrow morning. Heading into the morning hours or through the morning hours, we'll continue to enjoy some sunshine, but you can see the clouds starting to stream in for tomorrow afternoon and evening, and that is in advance of our next system that'll be affecting us for your Friday. So our Wednesday rain potential, well, we're not really seeing much in the way of rainfall. You could see that a large part of the valley has the potential for getting rain, but we're looking at less than a half inch of rain, maybe even much lower than that, quarter inch or less with this. So again, more rain chances today just means that it's not going to be as widespread or as heavy as yesterday. And where we can get some sunshine in the far southern valley will warm up a little bit more. Other places in the 50s and 60s. Back to 50s tomorrow with, again, that cold start. And Friday night and heading into Friday, or Thursday night and heading into Friday, that's our next chance for some rain. Saturday and Sunday look beautiful for the weekend. A high of 71 on Sunday. And we continue that stretch, that warming trend as we head into the start of next week. Temperatures into the mid-70s for Monday and Tuesday. So getting some welcome rain that isn't coming with severe weather, which is great. And then we warm things up again too. So just some really good weather here for us in the valley.
We don't have to, because you don't have to worry about the streets flooding. Farmers don't have to worry about their fields flooding. Just a good, steady, kind of slow rain.
We like that kind.
I was just going to say we don't have to wait too long for the 70s to come back. I'm very focused on the heat.
And being able to see the 70s come back too makes this rain okay, I think, for a lot of people.
Thank you, Lisa.
Coming up next, jump in the pool for a quick workout. We'll have more on aquatic classes to take.